Hi everyone, Happy New Year! Today we're making tteokguk, the traditional Korean soup that's eaten to celebrate the new year. Here's what you'll need for 2 portions. 200 to 300 grams of thinly sliced rice cake or tteok. Let me explain a bit of tteok if this is your first time using it. These chewy tteok are made by pounding steamed rice into a dense smooth dough. Once you open a package of tteok, it doesn't last long because it doesn't have many preservatives. Koreans usually freeze leftovers in resealable bags. Before cooking, soak them in cold water for 30 minutes to bring back their texture. Rice cakes are unique to Korean cuisine and can be tricky to find. If you're near a Korean community, you might spot them in local stores, but your best bet is Asian markets or online shops like Amazon. And you'll need 200 grams of beef for stew. Any lean cut works as long as it's not too greasy. This is one of the simplest variations of tteokguk, and that's why we're sticking to beef. You also need 2 eggs, 3 cloves of garlic or half a tablespoon of minced garlic, soy sauce, and lastly, salt and pepper, which are optional. You can also add dumplings or toppings like kim, seaweed, or chopped scallions if you want to make it fancier. First, slice your beef into small thin pieces. If you're using lean cuts, slice it against the grain for tenderness. If that sounds complicated, don't worry, just cut it thinly. Now, lightly whisk 2 eggs. And if you're using frozen tteok, don't forget to soak them in cold water for 30 minutes to bring back their texture. This ensures they cook evenly and stay perfectly chewy in the soup. Heat a pot with a bit of oil and saute the beef with half a tablespoon of soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir until the garlic starts smelling amazing. Add 800 milliliters of water, which is about 400 milliliters per portion. Bring it to a boil and skim off any brown foam that rises to the top. This foam is just blood from the beef, so don't stress too much. Just scoop it out when you can. Once the water boils, add 200 to 300 grams of tteok. If you're using frozen dumplings, add them before the tteok and wait for the soup to boil again before adding the rice cakes. Add half a tablespoon of soy sauce, let it boil again. Taste the broth and add salt to your liking. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. Now pour the eggs into the soup. Do not stir right away. Let the eggs set a bit first, then stir the soup gently. Add some pepper if you like. And that's it. The broth is rich, the rice cakes are perfectly chewy, and the egg adds a creamy, comforting touch. It's the perfect bowl of soup to celebrate the new year. Try this simple, delicious way to start the year with good luck and great food. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, and Happy New Year!